Unveiling the mysteries of ceiling wallpaper. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a unique and intriguing topic within the realm of interior design and English vocabulary: ceiling wallpaper. This term may sound straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Join us as we explore what ceiling wallpaper is, its history, and how it can transform a space. Ceiling wallpaper is exactly what it sounds like: wallpaper that's specifically designed to be applied to the ceiling of a room. Unlike traditional wallpaper that adorns the walls, ceiling wallpaper aims to add texture, color, and patterns to what is often an overlooked surface in home decor: the ceiling. It's a creative way to enhance the aesthetic of any room, adding depth and character to the space. The concept of decorating ceilings is not new. It dates back to ancient times when ceilings were painted and adorned with frescoes and artwork. In the Victorian era, ceiling wallpaper gained popularity as a way to showcase wealth and elegance. Intricate patterns and elaborate designs were used to make a statement. Today, ceiling wallpaper is making a resurgence as a modern way to express personal style and add a unique touch to home interiors. Ceiling wallpaper comes in various materials and designs. 1. Vinyl, durable and moisture-resistant, ideal for kitchens and bathrooms. 2. Embossed, adds texture and depth, perfect for creating a vintage look. 3. Metallic, reflects light and adds a touch of glamour. 4. Custom print, allows for personalization with any image or design. Incorporating ceiling wallpaper into a room can have a dramatic impact. It can make a room feel cozier or more spacious depending on the pattern and color. Draw the eye upward, creating a sense of height and grandeur. Serve as a conversation starter and showcase your personal style. Installing ceiling wallpaper can be more challenging than wall wallpaper due to the gravity factor. Here are some tips. 1. Preparation is key. Ensure the ceiling surface is clean, dry, and smooth. 2. Use the right tools. A sturdy ladder, a brush, and a wallpaper smoother are essential. 3. Seek professional help if needed. Considering the difficulty of working overhead, hiring a professional might be a wise choice. Ceiling wallpaper is a unique and stylish way to add personality and elegance to any room. From its historical roots to the modern designs available today, it offers a world of possibilities for those looking to enhance their living spaces. We hope this video has inspired you to look up and imagine the potential of your ceilings. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.